Looking for the perfect roasting pan to elevate your Sunday roasts or holiday turkey? I've broken down 5 top-rated pans across every price point to help you choose the best one for your kitchen. Let's dive in. Product 1. Farberware Bakeware Nonstick Roaster. First up is the Farberware Nonstick Roaster. At under $40, this 11 by 15-inch pan features a removable chrome rack and a warp-resistant alloy steel frame made without PFAS. Pros: super affordable, lightweight, non-stick finish makes cleanup effortless, and wide riveted handles give you a solid grip. Cons: max temperature is capped at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and non-stick coatings can wear over time if you use metal utensils. If you're on a budget or only roast a few times a year, this Farberware pan is a wallet-friendly steal. Product 2. Made in Cookware Stainless Clad Roasting Pan. Next is the Made in Stainless Clad Roaster. Built in Thailand with a 3-ply design, it combines a conductive aluminum core with polished stainless steel. Pros: distributes heat exceptionally fast and evenly, fully non-reactive so you can build deglazed pan sauces right on the stove, and holds massive holiday meats easily. Cons: priced higher and weighs a heavy 8.6 pounds before you even add the turkey. Perfect for serious home chefs who want professional-grade sauce-making power and lifetime durability. Product 3. Caraway Non-Toxic Ceramic Roasting Pan. Third on our list is the Caraway Ceramic Roaster. This stunning 16 by 13-inch navy pan offers chemical-free, non-toxic cooking with an included wire rack. Pros: oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, compatible with all stovetops including induction, completely PTFE and PFOA free, and wipes clean with almost zero effort. Cons: the highest price on our list, and at over 13 pounds, it takes some muscle to maneuver. If safety, aesthetics, and induction compatibility are your main priorities, Caraway is well worth the splurge. Product 4. HexClad Hybrid Rectangular Roasting Pan. Moving to number 4, the HexClad Hybrid 14 by 10 Roaster. It combines laser-etched stainless steel with Terabond ceramic for a killer sear and easy food release. Pros: unbeatable heat tolerance up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, metal utensil safe, dishwasher friendly, and backed by a lifetime warranty. Cons: its compact 14 by 10-inch footprint won't fit massive 20-plus pound turkeys, and it carries a premium price tag. Ideal for everyday roasts, high heat searing, and anyone who wants non-stick convenience with stainless steel durability. Product 5. Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Roaster. Rounding out our list is the Amazon Basics 16-inch stainless steel roaster. It features a heavy gauge build with a classic V-shaped rack designed to keep meats elevated. Pros: excellent value for full stainless steel, oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher safe, and includes sturdy riveted side handles. Cons: lacks a non-stick coating so drippings may require some soaking, and the overall fit and finish is fairly basic. A reliable, classic workhorse for anyone who wants high heat and easy dishwasher cleanup without spending a fortune. Which roasting pan fits your cooking style best? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen gear breakdowns.